Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for Instagram quotes. First, open Canva and navigate to the Instagram post template. You can either start with a blank design for full creative control or select one of the many pre-made templates available. Make sure your canvas dimensions are set to 1080 by 1080 pixels for optimal Instagram display. This ensures your quote will look crisp and professional on any device. Now, let's get creative with your quote. Add text boxes for both the quote itself and the author's name. Experiment with different fonts to find one that is both aesthetically pleasing and easy to read. Adjust the font size to ensure it fills the space well without being too cramped. You can also select a background color or upload an image to make your quote truly stand out. To make your quotes uniquely yours, consider adding your brand logo or a subtle watermark. Consistency is key, so stick to your established brand colors and fonts across all your designs. Once you are happy with your creation, it's time to export. Download your finished Instagram quote as a PNG file for the best quality and clarity. This format ensures your image looks sharp on Instagram. After downloading, you can schedule your quote directly through Canva's content planner or manually post it to Instagram. Remember to engage with your audience in the comments section to build community. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. These can really help simplify your week and keep you organized.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.